औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Dear students, today we will discuss the paper pattern of O-level Islamiyat. You know there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. First we will discuss paper 1. There are 5 questions in paper 1. Question number 1 and 2 are compulsory and 2 more questions are to be answered. In question number 3, 4 and 5. Question number 1 is from the passages of the Holy Quran. There are 15 passages in the syllabus. 3 passages are given in the paper and the students have to answer of 2 passages. This question has 8. There are 2 parts in question number 1. Part A is about the main theme of the passages. The marks of this part is 4. क्योंकि हमने 2 पैसेज करने होते हैं तो हर पैसेज के मेन थीम के नंबर होंगे 2 2। इस तरह ये 4 नंबर हो जाएंगे। To give the answer, write the background of the passage briefly in 1 or 2 sentences if there is any event. For example, Surah Ad-Duha, Surah Al-Kawthar, Surah Ikhlas, इसकी बैकग्राउंड में एक इवेंट है तो वो हम मेन थीम लिखने से पहले एज अ इंट्रो हम उसको 1 और 2 सेंटेंस में लिख देंगे ताकि मेन थीम समझाने में हमें आसानी हो। Then explain the passage, simple explanation and give the reference from the Holy Quran or Hadith. Part B of question number 1 also has 4 marks. In this part, the students are to write the importance of the theme of the passage. इसके लिए स्टूडेंट्स को पैसेज के थीम पर फोकस करना है। सूरा या पैसेज की इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं लिखनी, हमने थीम की इम्पोर्टेंस लिखनी है। So, explain the passage with the reference of the other surah or hadith or explain with the example. If there is any hidden meaning of any verse or any word, explain. And also if there is any special word in the passage, for example आयतुल कुर्सी में कुर्सी का वर्ड है तो उसको एक्सप्लेन ज़्यादा कर दें। सूरा कौसर में कौसर का वर्ड है तो उसको एक्सप्लेन ज़्यादा कर दें। तो ट्राई टू राइट द importance of theme of the passage. Question number 2 is from the topic history and importance of Quran, relation of Quran with Hadith, Ijma and Qiyas, and teachings of the passages of the Quran in the syllabus. This question has 2 parts. Part A has 10 marks and part B has 4 marks. Part A is mostly based on knowledge and part B is mostly based on common sense. Important point in question number 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में ख़ास तौर पर डेट्स, नेम्स ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी, प्लेसेस पे ख़ास तौर पर तवज्जो देनी है, ज़रूर लिखनी है। रेफरेंसेस फ्राम द कुरान और हदीस जहाँ पर ज़रूरी हैं वहाँ ज़रूर देने हैं क्योंकि इसके नंबर होते हैं। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4 and 5 the students are to answer only 2 questions. Each question has 14 marks. A part based on knowledge and part B based on logic and common sense. Topics for the question number 3, 4 and 5. Life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. First Islamic community. Important personalities in Islam. फर्स्ट इस्लामिक कम्युनिटी के अंदर कौन कौन से टॉपिक आते हैं? उसमें मदर्स ऑफ फेथफुल, वाइफ्स ऑफ द होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, चिल्ड्रन ऑफ होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, स्क्राइब्स ऑफ द डिवाइन रेवलेशन, कातिबीन वही, इमामत, मुहाजिरीन एंड अंसार, 10 blessed companions, important personalities in the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. ये टॉपिक फर्स्ट इस्लामिक कम्युनिटी के अंदर आते हैं। Important points in questions 3, 4 and 5. इन क्वेश्चंस के अंदर ख़ास तौर पर आपने डेट्स, नेम्स ऑफ पर्सनैलिटीज़, प्लेसेस, लीडर्स, नंबर ऑफ आर्मीज, हाउ मैनी किल्ड, हाउ मैनी मार्टायर्ड एट्सेट्रा ज़रूर लिखना। रेफरेंसेस फ्राम द होली कुरान और हदीस भी ज़रूर लिखने हैं क्योंकि इनके नंबर होते हैं। तो ये था आज का हमारा लेसन। आई होप you understood the paper pattern and topics of paper 1. Inshallah, in the next video, we will discuss paper 2. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Part B of question number 1 also has 4 marks. In this part, the students are to write the importance of the theme of the passage. इसके लिए स्टूडेंट्स को पैसेज के थीम पर फोकस करना है। सूरा देयर आर 5 क्वेश्चंस इन पेपर 2. Question 1 and 2 are compulsory and 2 more questions are to be answered in question 3, 4 and 5. Question number 1 is about ahadith. There are 4 ahadith in the paper. 2 are to be answered. The marks of this question are 8. Question number 1 has 2 parts. In part A, the students are required to write Muslims' belief of the hadith. To give the answer, write the explanation of the hadith with the references from the Quran or other hadiths. Part B, the students are to write the Muslims' action. To give the answer, the students are required to explain how the teachings in this hadith can be applied in Muslims' life. What advantages would that have for community and individual? You can also explain with example, references from the Quran or other hadiths. The topics of question number 2 are history and importance of Hadith and Sunnah, relation of Hadith with Quran, Ijma and Qiyas, and teachings of Hadith set in syllabus. This question has two parts. Part A based on knowledge and has 10 marks. Part B based on logic and common sense and has 4 marks. In this question, dates, names of personalities, places are very important. References from the Quran and Hadith are also very important because these have marks. In question 3, 4 and 5, two questions are to be answered. The topics of these questions are 4 rightly guided caliph, Khulafa Rashideen, 5 pillars of Islam, articles of faith and jihad. These questions also has two parts. Part A based on knowledge and has 10 marks. Part B based on logic and has 4 marks. In question number 3, 4 and 5, dates, names of personalities, names of places, leaders, number of armies are very important. References from the Holy Quran and Hadith are very important क्योंकि इनके नंबर होते हैं, नंबर मिलते हैं, छोड़ेंगे तो नंबर कट जाएंगे. तो ये था आज का हमारा लेसन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द पैटर्न एंड टॉपिक्स ऑफ पेपर 2. इंशाल्लाह सी यू with the new video. Allah Hafiz. Dear students, it is lesson over today. I hope you all understood. Allah Hafiz.